Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. Welcome again to my channel in which we deliver lessons to teach Moroccan Darija. In today's lesson, we will focus on Moroccan Darija for shopping and bargaining. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here as I have always explained, we follow the PPP approach, which means presentation, practice, products. We start with vocabulary, we move to practice dialogues, and the final step is to come out with your own dialogue. Practice makes perfect in every field. Okay, let's start with our vocabularies. Here we will learn some essential words for shopping. We will start with asking the price. In Moroccan Darija, when we want to ask the price, we say شحال الثمن هاد الشيء ولا شحال الثمن هادي ولا شحال الثمن هذا. Okay, شحال الثمن. Okay, how much is this? Then we have also other expressions. We will say also, so we can say شحال كتسوى هاد الحاجة. شحال كتسوى هاد الحاجة. How much does this item cost? Or شحال كتسوى, how much does it cost? Okay. Another expression is بشحال هادي ولا بشحال هذا الكيلو. For شحال هادي ولا بشحال هذا الكيلو. When we are in the traditional market, which we call in Moroccan Darija souk. Souk is a traditional market in Morocco here. Souk. So we can use these expressions. Okay. Now moving to accepting and declining. Accepting and declining. In Moroccan Darija we can say اسمح لي مازال غالي. اسمح لي مازال غالي. So sorry, it's still too expensive. Sorry, it's still too expensive. Also we can say واخا اتفقنا على هاد الثمن. واخا اتفقنا على هاد الثمن. Okay, we agree on this price. So we say wacha when we accept, when we are in agreement with someone. Okay, wacha. Okay, I agree with you. Wacha, 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 wacha. It means okay. Wacha, I accept. I agree with somebody. Okay, here in Darija also we can say هادي فلوسي الآخرين or هادشي اللي عندي. هادشي اللي عندي. هادي فلوسي الآخرين. هادشي اللي عندي. Okay. This is all the money I have. هادشي اللي عندي. Okay. It means I cannot pay more. I cannot pay more. This is all what I have. Okay. Now, moving to the bargaining. 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 Okay. In Moroccan Darija, we can start our bargain with ولكن غالي بزاف نقص شوية. For example, if the vendor says to you a high price, so we can say ولكن غالي بزاف نقص شوية. But it's too expensive. Lower the price a bit. Okay. In Darija also we can say ما اتفقناش على الثمن. نقص لي. ما اتفقناش. واخا is the opposite of ما اتفقناش. It means I don't agree with you. So ما اتفقناش, we don't agree on this price, so reduce it for me. ما اتفقناش, reduce it for me. Okay. In Darija also, so we can say أنا زبون ديالك نزل الثمن شوية ولا خفض الثمن شوية. We can say نزل or خفض. Okay. I'm your customer or your for example, when you are a regular client, you can use this. Okay. أنا زبون ديالك نزل الثمن شوية. I'm your customer, I'm your regular client, so give me a discount. Okay. Give me a discount. واش هادشي حتى هو فيه تخفيض. For example, واش هادشي حتى هو فيه تخفيض. Is there a discount on this as well? Is there a discount on this as well? Okay. We can say also in Moroccan Darija إلا شريت كتر تعطيني شي بري سبيسيال. إلا شريت كتر تعطيني شي بري سبيسيال. So if you notice here, we borrowed some words from the French language. Spécial, prix. Okay. Okay, now let's move to the practice dialogue, bargaining at souk. Souk, as we have explained it, so it is the traditional market in Moroccan Darija, traditional market where you can find everything you are looking for, something like that. Okay, customer, vendor, السلام شحال هذا؟ السلام 100 درهم. Customer غالي نقص شوية. Vendor okay 70 درهم. Customer أنا نعطيك 50 درهم. أنا نعطيك 50 درهم. Okay. You ask for a discount or you begin bargaining. Okay. Vendor لا أعطيني 60 درهم. Customer okay. Here you come to an agreement with the vendor. 60 درهم مزيانة. متفقين. It means I agree to pay you. متفقين. It means so I love the price. Now let's move to the second exercise, matching exercise. Here there is a words with English translation. So I think that we have learned all those words and all those expressions. So what are you going to do is to match the word with its appropriate meaning in Darija. Okay? السلام غالي شحال هذا نقص expensive hello how much is this lower the price. Okay, move on to the fill in the blanks exercise. Complete the dialogue. We have seen the dialogue. We have also explained all the words: customer, vendor, salam هذا salam 150. Okay, I think that it is an easy one if you pause the video and focus on what we have learned. Now let's move to some tips for successful bargaining. Start low. When you want to buy something, so it is better to give a low price in the beginning of the bargain. Okay? Offer a low price, then you are willing to pay. Then you will see if the vendor will lower the price or will stay in the fixed one. Okay, be patient. Bargaining takes time, so don't rush the process. Well, here in Morocco, so bargaining is here in Morocco, bargaining is a normal thing to do when you come to buy something. Bargaining, so it is in our custom, in our traditions, bargaining. Okay, be polite, use respectful language and a friendly tone. Use respectful language and a friendly tone whenever you come to buy something, so it is better to be polite. That is the crux, and that is the meaning. Okay, walk away. So here, if you don't come to an end to your bargain successfully, so it is better for you to walk away. If you are not satisfied with the price, be prepared to walk away. Here we have some cultural insights, etiquette and expectations. So here, when it comes to negotiations, so bargaining is expected and considered a part of the shopping experience. Okay, that is what I have just said, that it is in our tradition and culture. Also, we say that Moroccan people are generous. The majority, if not all, Moroccan people are generous. Vendors often offer tea or mint tea as a gesture of hospitality. So the vendor, so he may offer you a cup of tea as a gesture of hospitality. Courtesy, always greet the vendor and use a polite language. We have also explained that. Polite language, so it will help you to make it easy and to do all what you want in an easy way. It helps a lot. Cash preferred. Cash is typically preferred over credit card. When you come to the traditional souk, traditional market in Morocco, so don't expect the vendor so to, for example, to be paid with a credit card. So cash is preferred. Okay. No, I think that we come to the conclusion. So here, have a basic understanding of Moroccan Darija for shopping and bargaining with practice. So you will be able to navigate the souk with confidence.